Hello students, so today let's begin with the new chapter, the ashes that made trees bloom. So if I talk about the summary of this story, the story contains a powerful message to adopt virtues like honesty, compassion and truth. In this Japanese story about an old couple who love their pet Muko very much, Muck becomes instrumental in bringing riches to the old couple. First, they got a pot of gold on digging the ground where Moko was trying to remove mud with his paws. They had a greedy neighbor who sees it and he comes and takes Moko along with him. But he doesn't get any gold, and in his anger, the wicked neighbor hit him and he died. The old man buried Moko and planted a pine tree on his grave and watered it daily. When the tree grew, he thought of making a mortar out of the tree. He wanted to make rice cake by pounding rice in the mortar. When he was pounding boiled rice to make the cake, the rice turned into gold and the couple became richer. The neighbor saw again and came to them to borrow mortar. The kind man gave him mortar, but when he used it, he didn't get any gold. Then he was furious and burned the mortar. But when the old man came to ask for his mortar, it was all ashes. He took ashes home. When he sprinkled ashes in his garden, his cherry trees blossomed, though it was the winter time. Again the neighbor came to take ashes so that his trees could blossom. Again his wish didn't come true, so the story shows how the spirit of Moko helps the old couple. So here is the Japanese story. Let's begin with the story that in the old days, of daimyos, there lived an old couple whose only pet was a little dog. Having no children, they loved it as though it were a baby. The old name made it a cushion of a blue crab, and at meal time Muko, for that was its name, would sit on it as snug as any cat. The kind people fed the pet with the tidbits of fish from their own chopsticks and all the boiled rice it wanted. Thus treated, the dumb creature loved its protectors like being with a soul. तो बहुत पहले की बात हो रही है डेमिल्स की. डेमिल्स इज इन 19th सेंचुरी जापानीज वेल्दी लैंड ओनर्स. तो वहाँ पे क्या था, एक ओल्ड कपल रहता था जिनका सिर्फ एक पेट था, दैट वाज दिस लिटिल डॉग. वो कपल को कोई चिल्ड्रन नहीं थे, इसलिए वो एक पैट की एकदम बेबी की तरह केयर रखते थे. द ओल्ड डेम मेड इट अ कुशन ऑफ ब्लू क्रैब. ब्लू क्रैब का मटीरियल होता है, उसका कुशन बनाया. एंड फिर एट मील टाइम मुको इज़ द नेम ऑफ दैट पैट. वो क्या करता था, वहाँ पे जाता था और एकदम कैट जैसे एकदम प्यारी सी होती है जो जाके चुपचाप बैठ जाती है, वो भी वैसे बैठ जाता था. दीज काइंड पीपल दे वर सो काइंड कि उनको अपनी चॉपस्टिक्स में से जो फिश के छोटे छोटे पीसीज होते हैं वो देते थे. एंड मुको को जितना भी राइस चाहिए वो सब उसको खिलाते थे. Thus treated, ये जो डम क्रिएचर है, मतलब जो बोल नहीं सकता है, इसकी वजह सब कुछ उसको देते थे, उसके ओनर सब कुछ उसको देते थे. और इसलिए दिस डम क्रिएचर लव्ड इट्स प्रोटेक्टर्स लाइक बीइंग विथ अ सोल, दैट इज़ एकदम ह्यूमन चाइल्ड की तरह उसको ट्रीट करते थे. और इसीलिए वो डम क्रिएचर उसको बहुत पसंद, मतलब डम क्रिएचर सा मुको था, वो अपने ओनर्स को बहुत पसंद करता था. The old man, being a rice farmer, went daily with hoe or spade into the fields, working hard from morning until Otento-sama, that is, as the sun is called, had gone down behind the hills. Every day the dog followed him to work, never once harming the white heron that walked in the footsteps of the old man to pick up the worms. For the old fellow was a patient and kind to everything that had life, and often turned up a sod on purpose to give food to the birds. So what happened? This old man was a rice farmer. He grew rice in his farm, So he daily went with a hoe or a sickle, a hoe or a spade, that is the instrument used for farming. He went with these instruments in the fields and he worked hard from morning until the sun went down behind the hills. So every day what did this dog do? This dog followed him to work, and even never for once. The white heron that walked up, even for once, those little worms who used to come in the way of old man, these dog, what did he do? He removed all this worms from his way, because this old fellow, he was very patient and he was very kind, that had life, everything that had life. He was very patient and he was very kind for everything that had life, and because of these it often turned out or dug up a sod on purpose. He dug up the sod, that is a place where he can feed the birds. So he put the food there so that birds can come and feed there. One day the dog came running to him, putting his paws against his leg and motioning with his head to some spot behind. The old man at first thought that his pet was only playing and did not mind it. But the dog kept on winning and running to and fro for some minutes. Then the old man followed the dog a few yards to a place where the animal began a lively scratching. Thinking it was possibly a buried bone or a bit of fish, the old man struck his hoe in the earth. When lo, a pile of gold gleamed before him. So one day this dog, he came running to his owner and he put his paws, he put his legs opposite or around the legs of the owner, and then he was motioning with his head that please come, follow me, follow me. First, initially the old man thought that he was just playing and he did not mind it much. But this dog kept winning, doing the same thing again and again, and he kept running to and fro for some minutes around the owner. So then this old man followed him for a few yards to a place where these dogs started scratching or started digging. What did the old man first thought? That it might be a buried bone, or it might be a piece of fish that the dog is wanting. So what did the old man do? The old man struck his hoe. The old man struck his instrument into the earth, and as soon as he struck, he saw that a pile of gold was shining before him. If you can see, as soon as he struck it, he could see that there was a pile of gold shining before him. Thus, in an hour, the old couple were made rich. The good souls bought a piece of land, made a feast for their friends, and gave plentiful to their poor neighbors. As for the dog, they petted him till they nearly smothered him with kindness. So there is this old couple. Within an hour they become very rich. What did they do? They bought many pieces of land and they arranged feast for their friends and even helped the poor neighbors. They were very kind to the dog and they always petted him, or they always praised him that because of his kindness or because of him they were able to get rich. We will continue from this part in the next class. Thank you.